I'm a bit nervous, so you always think you are strong, you can stand in front of the people until they put you in that position. So, first of all, I would like to thank my company, AfriSem. My name is Robert Maisela. I'm based in Eastern Cape, running both East London and Queenstown depots. I'm reporting to Michael Bradford. He's here. Thank you for coming and thank you for believing in me. And I would like to thank my HR team also. I see there is a lot of faces. I'm not going to mention all of you. This course has really equipped me with a toolbox with a lot of spanners, different sizes. So, yeah, what I can say is we have been trying to tackle every problem as it comes, but now I think we are ready to, we are actually ready to face any problems in the field. So, Daniela, thank you very much. I know you don't like to be recognized, but really you have done a lot. And my team, Peggy, Keaton, most of you guys, Fedi, you really got the best out of me. And we fought a lot. We had a lot of disagreements. But at the end, we will find each other. And thank you very much for creating this type of environment so that we can actually learn from each other. Yeah. And yeah, thank you.